crash test here comparing the Legend in multi-wet to the Deus deep high conductor, okay? I got a piece of foil there. There's a mercury dime right there under my finger down under that 4x4 block. To make this test fire, here's what I'm gonna do. I've got this Deus factory settings. It's even still in reactivity too. I'll turn the audio response up. Okay, and what I've done is I went over here in the notch program, okay? Notch, I started at 0. That's 86 notched on it, 86. I'm gonna back it off 1 point. That lets that zinc and penny through, okay? Now remember, that's a mercury dime down there that's compromised by that fall. Will this machine hear that dime? You hear that? It hears that dime, and it gives an 88 ID on that dime. And you see it in that meter, 89. That's about 1 inch above that fall. That's closer. That's about 3 inches above that fall, 2.5 inches above that fall. You see that 91 in the meter, okay? So what I did is I got the zinc and penny accepted. I'll show you what I did again here. That's 85 notch, okay? That's 85. Two-way signal on that zinc and penny, okay? Raise it 1 more notch to 86. That zinc and penny goes more or less bye-bye, okay? Now, I'm going to use tone break on this machine, but I may actually try it by notching too, just to see if there's a difference. I'm only going to look at beach wet. That was reactivity too on that machine. That's not very fast, okay? I run this machine at speed 5. She's in speed 5. Iron filter's all the way down on this baby. That was full tones you listened to on that JS2 where it's 60 tones. There's the tone break. Here's this zinc and penny. That's 40 tone break, 41 tone break. All right, that makes that penny there more or less go away. Here's 40 again. Hear it? 41 tone break. So I'm going to back it back to 40. Now the penny's accepted. Will this machine see that dime down there like that DS2 did? You get to hear that. That's about 1 inch above the fall. 2 inches above the fall. I'll open this screen back up. I'll go out of all metal, ferrous removed. Okay, that's about 3 inches. Three inches, we're getting some pretty good ID. 2 inches above that fall. Not getting very good tone there, okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here just to make this fire and make sure I'm not, doing something to make this machine look bad. Let's see if I can do this in the camera and it not take so long here. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So this is how I got the Deus set up. I got rid of all this stuff down here. I got rid of everything. 0 all the way to whatever. Okay, so we're going to come back over here. Okay. We'll get rid of 39. Okay, I need to start putting some stuff back in here now. Okay, they're all in there. 40 is accepted right now, okay? So we get that penny, okay? 40 is gone. Okay, so 41 brings the penny in. Okay, we're going to take 41 out. 41's gone. So we need to put 41 back to make this what I consider an equivalent test, okay? Which is sort of what Tone Break showed us. So 41 and higher are accepted. What do we get on this mercury dime? Okay, 3 inches above. So 3 inches above the fall, we're seeing high conductor ID. 1 inch above that fall. I don't know if I'd ever dig that or not. I don't see no ID in the one. 2 inches above the fall. There's never any ID comes in the one. There's some right there, finally. But it's trailing way over here. Now if I sweep real slow, okay, now 1 inch above it. 2 inches above it real slow. 3 inches above it real slow. Okay, so you all can be your own judge, and what I'll do is I'll turn this thing off. We'll turn this one back on real quick. Okay. Deep high conductor. Full tones notch. Here we go. All the way over. Whenever we get rid of this penny, we back it off 1 point. There's 86. 85. That's 84. 85. 86. So we'll go with 85. 0 to 85, okay? Reactivity 2 inches above the fall. I'll get this meter opened up here. I'm going to let this ID time out. So we're getting ID coming both ways. 2 inches above that fall. 1 inch above the fall. ID both ways. 3 inches above the fall. ID both ways, okay? 3 inches again. I ain't got the audio gain or audio response turned up very high on this machine. Turned up to 6. Try it again here. 3 inches. Okay. So you all make up your mind which one you think's outperforming which one. I already have my idea. Under that board there, you see the fall there, okay? And I'm just going to roll this block over. You see where the dime is there, okay? So it's right down there. Quite a ways. That's a pretty good sized piece of fall there, boys. And that's not single layer now, okay? But that's not Reynolds wrap fall either, okay?